Hello everyone, myself Minerva Dash. Today I going to talk about the basic information of ISRO. Basically, ISRO stands for Indian Space Research Organization. It was formed in 1969. It was established by India's first Prime Minister P.T. Nehru and his close friend. It is a space agency of the Government of India. Its vision is to harness space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. It's launched many space satellites since its formation. Now it is not only an official representative of Indian space program, it becomes a leader of global satellite market with much reliability. Now come to the history. It was established in the year 1969 to focus the talent of Indian researchers into advancing the space program. There were several fledgling projects that formed the base for setting up the ISRO, like Indian Committee for Space Research guided by Professor Sarabhai and the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research and the Rohini sounding rocket program. The success of fledgling projects laid the cornerstone and foundation for the formation of the ISRO in 1969. Now come to the objective. The prime objective of ISRO is to use space technology and its application to various national tasks. The Indian space program was driven by the vision of Vikram Sarabhai, considered the father of the Indian space program. ISRO's missions are very interesting and important for us. The Indian Space Organization has carried out 97 spacecraft missions, 69 launch missions and planned several missions including the Aditya, Gangayaan and MOM-2. The latest mission of ISRO is Mars Orbiter Mission LV-M3X Astrosat. They have so many future missions also. But I talk about the next 4 years missions of ISRO. In 2020, they will launch Aditya L1, which is for solar observation, and RISAT 1A, which is for radar imaging satellite. In 2021, they will launch Chandrayaan 3, which is a lunar lander rover, and Gangayaan, which is crewed spacecraft. In 2023, they will launch Shukrayaan 1, which is a Venus orbital, and in 2024, they will launch Mangalayaan 2, which is Mars orbiter, and lunar polar exploration mission they will do, which is lunar lander rover. We wish the all missions will get success. Come to the aim of ISRO. The prime objective of ISRO is to use space technology and its application to various national tasks. The Indian space program was driven by the vision of Vikram Sarabhai, considered the father of the Indian space program. Now I talk about 5 big recent achievements of ISRO, which is proud Indians. The first one is Chandrayaan 2, India's second lunar mission, On July 22, ISRO successfully launched Chandrayaan-2, the country's ambitious second moon mission, from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. It comprises a fully indigenous orbiter, a lander named Vikram, and a rover dubbed Pragyan. The second one is RISAT-2B, the cloud-proof Earth observation satellite. The Indian Space Agency earlier on May 22 this year scripted history by successfully launching RISAT-2B, a super surveillance satellite, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The radar imaging satellite can take high resolution images even in cloudy conditions also, that can be used for military surveillance to keep an eye on the country's borders, as well as the agriculture, forestry and disaster management support. The third one is GS-87A, Indian Angry Bird satellite to boost defense communication. On December 19 last year, ISRO launched the GS-87A, an advanced military communications satellite that is dubbed the Indian Angry Bird, successfully from Sriharikota. The satellite is meant to boost the communication capabilities of the defense forces, particularly the Indian Air Force. Built exclusively for the IAF, and GS-87A satellite will enhance the Air Force warfare capabilities and also boost its global operators. The fourth one is high resolution satellite, which is ISRO launched. That name is PSLV C43. It lifted off with India's hyperspectral imaging satellite, the country's best high resolution satellite ever, which can study the Earth's surface in visible, near infrared and shortwave infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Along with it, ISRO also launched 1 micro and 29 nano satellites from 8 countries. The fifth one is a tested crew escape system. Crucial for human space flight, ISRO tested crew escape system. On July 5th last year, ISRO successfully carried flight test of the indigenous crew escape system, a crucial technology for launching astronauts into space. The crew escape system is an emergency escape measure that is designed to quickly pull the crew module and the astronauts away from the launch vehicle to a safe distance. In case of manufacture in the initial launch stage, that achievements makes proud Indians. Now come to the conclusion. The India ISRO had always been a globally competent space agency, which has brought laurels for India in terms of space research technology. The future of ISRO is bright with its current success of Chandrayaan and upcoming project of Mars mission. Thank you so much for keep your patience.